Step into the 2006 Subaru Outback. This four-door, five-passenger wagon has just over 80,000 miles. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a 3-liter six-cylinder engine. Subaru infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a rear window wiper, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated seats, and much more. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.